What's up, friends? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. Today I'm going to share with you how to make an orange marmalade ham glaze that's perfect for a spiral cut ham. Super easy to put together. In a medium-sized saucepan over about medium heat, you're going to add all of the ingredients. So 2/3 cup of orange juice, 1/2 cup of light agave syrup. The light has a little less flavor than the darker one, and so that's what we're going for here. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of orange marmalade. You want to get a really good orange marmalade, one that has strips of orange peel in it. It's going to be way more flavorful. Then 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of a whole grain mustard. That's the one with the little seeds in it. 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/8 teaspoon of ground clove, which is one of my favorite spices, and 1 plump garlic clove that you've minced. You're just going to whisk all of this together, bring it to a boil for about 1 minute, turn the heat down, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's going to thicken and get syrupy and perfect to stick to your spiral cut ham. This is enough ham glaze for about a 7 to 10 pound ham. If you have a larger ham, you may want to double this recipe, or if you want additional glaze to serve with your ham, you may want to think about doubling it as well. Once it comes off the stove, it is ready to use just as is, or you can pop it in the fridge for 2, 3, or 4 days. Put a little heat on it before you use it and glaze up your ham. If you need full instructions for glazing your ham, I will put a link to a full tutorial down in the description box. I hope that this recipe for marmalade ham glaze helps you feel like a success in your kitchen, and we would love to have you subscribe to the Mom's Dinner YouTube channel.